Hello everyone. In this video, I'm happy to share the process of creating a Warli painting on an Ikea mirror frame. Firstly, I decided on the design that has to be drawn. Once satisfied with the design, I used a pencil to block them on the frame. It was easy for me to make any further changes at this stage. Next, I used a permanent marker to define the lines. I used triangular patterns around the mirror. They look pretty good. I love all kinds of Indian art forms. Warli art is easy to draw using simple lines and shapes. I added design elements like a peacock, trees, the sun, the moon, and few figure elements playing musical instruments. They bring good vibes to my home. We can enjoy the beauty of each element if they have some space in between. So, I drew the designs in such a way that they give a good balance and composition. Finally, I used acrylic paint to fill the colors. I enjoy doing this artwork. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you find it helpful, do like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for your love and support. See you soon with my next creation.